It's time to pause again for a discussion of notation practices, this time in regards to meter and the notation of meter. A bar line is a vertical line drawn through the staff. Always use a downstroke to write a bar line. The line should not extend above or below the staff. A double bar line consists of two bar lines spaced closely together. A final bar line can be made by drawing three bar lines close together and then filling in the space between the second and third bar lines. Notice that at no point in the discussion of meter signatures was the stacking of two numbers related to a fraction. Meter signatures are often related to fractions just because of the placement of one number on top of another. However, at no time should a horizontal line be drawn to separate the two numbers. The meter signature is placed immediately after the key signature at the beginning of a piece. Once the meter signature has been established, it is not necessary to rewrite it unless there is a change of meter. The meter signature should be written within the confines of the staff and should not extend above or below the staff. The symbols for both common and cut time begin with a C. The C should be in the center of the staff and should be the height of two spaces. A C alone is the symbol for common time. Adding a vertical line that extends just above and below the C while bisecting it creates the symbol for cut time. Subdivisions of the meter should be grouped together using beams. A beam is a thick horizontal line used in place of flags, where a group of two or more notes form a metrical unit. The number of beams used is exactly the same as the number of flags it is replacing. Eighth notes get one beam, 16th notes get two beams, etc. The beaming of notes should reflect the main beat of each measure. The horizontal distance between beams is not as wide as the distance between staff lines. The slant of the beams depends on the contour of the group of notes. Repeated note figures, patterns beginning and ending with the same note, and notes with a horizontally balanced contour receive perfectly horizontal beams. The shorter stem length must be at least 1 octave. The stems should go through all the beams. Stem direction for a group of beamed notes is determined by the note farthest away from the middle line of the staff in the notes grouped together by the beaming. Beaming can be slanted, and that will be determined by the contour of the notes. But the tilt of the beam should not exceed the width of one staff space. Be sure to use good notation practices whenever you write the concepts involved in meter.